Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lucy Kenga. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber from Mombasa, and I welcome you so much and thanking you so much for clicking this video, guys. And today I wanted to show you how I make my bleaching detergent, guys. As I promised you, if you haven't watched that video of me making liquid multi-purpose soap, I use it in my washing machine too. Please do go and click that video. I think I'll put it there or here. I'll put that video, the link of the video of the liquid or making all-purpose liquid soap, guys. So I promised you that I'm going to show you how I make my bleaching detergent, and this is how I make it. And I hope you enjoy this video, and you can also share this video with someone else for them to know. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that click, and yes, comment down below any question you have. I'm going to show you first the ingredients I'm using, and we are going to mix this detergent, this bleaching detergent, and it's very simple, it's very easy. You can make this even when your eyes are closing. Like, you can make this with your eyes closed, guys. This is so easy. And let me put it out here that I bought those ingredients around 100 shilling, which is $1, and I get 10 liters of bleaching detergent, which I use in soaking my white clothes. You can also use it in the kitchen, guys, if you use plastic utensils, and sometimes they get the stains, like the spices and black teas, the black coffees give the plastic utensils stains. You can soak those plastic utensils with this bleaching agent, and they get clear, like clean, like new clean, guys. So yes, guys, let me show you this, how I make it, and how it really how I budget my money with this, because I make my liquid soap myself. I make this bleaching detergent myself, and I save a lot of money in that area of cleaning detergents and bleaching detergent. I have another good news I forgot to tell you. If you like my lips, I'm on a challenge of making my pink lips, natural pink lips. So if you want me also to make for you this video, please do comment down below and let me know, because I'm in a challenge of making my own lip scrub, which makes my lips pink, guys. Yes, my lips are pink, like pink. So if you want your lips to be pink, please do comment down below and let me know, and I'll make that video for you, guys. Let's get started in making this bleaching detergent, guys. And yeah. So guys, I'm going to start, and let me show you how I make this. You see this, we've got, this is called ash soda. It looks like this, ash soda. And we've got our chlorine. This is chlorine. And we've got salt. Remember, guys, I told you about salt in my liquid soap making. This is salt. And we've got caustic also, and this caustic, I also used it in the soap making. So in this bleaching detergent, we don't need much. We just need these four ingredients. This is chlorine, this is ash soda, this is salt, and this is caustic. So we have our 10 liters of water here, and these ingredients, they are for making 10 liters. Don't go and make 20 liters with this, or 5 liters. No, make 10 liters. It's only for 10 liters. If you're shopping for this, when you're buying, tell them for the liters you want, but they always sell from 10 liters and above. So let's get started. So I'm going to start mixing. This is my 10 liters. I've got my stirring rod. This is my stirring rod. So let's get started. Now this is the ash soda. We go ahead and put our chlorine. That's my daughter Allison. She's going to the toilet, guys. And it starts to smell like a real bleaching agent because of the chlorine. Now this is the caustic. The caustic we used in the liquid soap. It's also used in the bleaching agent, guys. And together we put the salt. That's it, and you're done, guys. You just have to stir it a little bit. You can see, guys, this is it. I'm done. I'm just stirring it. And there's a lot more information I have to tell you later. Let me just stir this. And as you can see it, guys, you see, it's like that. It's milkish, in a milkish form. So yes, there is something I have to tell you about this. So yes, guys, I'm done already. I have made the bleaching detergent. You see me like because I've carried that 10 liters of that liquid detergent. But yes, I'm done now, and it's easy. The part I wanted to tell you or to let you know is that after you make this bleaching detergent, please don't use it the same day you have made it, because it has to settle down. It has to mix with all its ingredients. It has to dissolve, each ingredient to dissolve and mix with one another very well and to sit down. So guys, yes, I wanted to edit this video and put it today, but let me show you the results of it tomorrow. So I have to film again tomorrow the way it will look, and then I put this video out for you guys, because I want to tell you informative things and let you know the way I do it, to save money, and the way I live my life. This is a lifestyle channel full of DIYs and tricks and tips, guys. So yes, I let it settle there for 12 hours. It's supposed to settle for 24 hours actually, but I let it say like let's say 18, 17, let's say from now it's noon to tomorrow noon. I think that will be 24 hours or 12 hours. And yes, it will settle down and it will be clear as water, and at the bottom of that bucket there will be a residue, a white residue, like a white resident. I don't know resident or residue, but it will be white, and I want to show you guys. So I'll film again tomorrow and then edit this video and put it out for you guys. So yes, guys, remember to always stay positive in your mind, and yeah, let's reach tomorrow in God's grace and film again.
Very next evening.
This is the resident I'm talking about, like it's white. So this, you can use this in your toilets, cleaning your toilets. And as for me, I always put it inside the basin of the toilet. When I flush, it goes in the toilet, and yeah, it removes the stains in my toilet. And this one, there it goes, 10 liters. You see it will still be going clear after, let's say, 5 minutes, guys. So I think I'll have time also to show you when it becomes clear in this bottle. So guys, here is our JIK. It's still settling, so it is still going to be clearer than this. It's going to be clear like water, guys. And yes, I thought let me just divide it and share it with my neighbor since she has kids, twins. So I said let me just share this 1 liter with her, guys, since I have 10 liters. Sharing is caring. So here I have to make my soap. It's finished again. So yes guys, this I'm going to put it in the sink of my toilet. And I hope you like this video, guys, and give it a thumbs up, and you can share this video too. Bye.